ريتني كيف دولة هتطلع لايف. Good day everyone, welcome to the Chart Trader. Today we'll be taking you over some quality setup, trading setup in the Forex and in the indices stocks. I hope this will help you master the market movement for the next week. Please use everything in this video for education purpose only. And we do not provide financial advice, so please be aware of this and trade with care, plan your trade and trade your plan only. So let's just quickly started with gold. This is going to be very quick and short video. I just got this noise setup. I said maybe share with you guys. It's actually this trend line is coming from right at the bottom. And on the gold, guys, we are looking for buy setup, and as they say, what's better to buy at the bottom of the move on the trend, with the trend, and follow up with the trend. We can see great setup on this one, set up for us, and this is our first target. However, we are anticipating this move is to go to the so we can see this move coming up here, coming back here, coming back up, a drop, and continue to the upside. And for this one, we are looking for this up move. What's better to buy with the trend? Why we are looking to buy this one? Because this has potential to just keep going to the upside from right here, and this all the correction, and we are going, okay? They hold this trend line very strong, and that's why we're forecasting this up move. Okay, let me just quickly give you the other scenario, and let's say I am wrong, and what can happen else. Okay, let's say this doesn't happen. Okay, then that's mean we will have this, and we'll have this, and then drop and still go to the upside. That's mean only the correction came on different shape. Okay, correction pattern, chart pattern can be anything. Okay, but because gold move on trend line always, that's why we did forecast the buy setup from right there, because it is on the trend line, and gold move from trend line, and they like to make running flat, okay, and continue to the upside. That's why. So this is possible as well, but I'm not anticipating because we are on the trend line. Unless you break this bottom, once you break this bottom, okay, you're not going to be able to sell as well. Okay, you either gonna wait this to sell from the top, or you're gonna start looking for buy setup at this zone. So but this will confirm for us we are in this move, okay, breaking this bottom. However, we are anticipating this move to take up from right where it is now, from right here to the upside. Our target is above this drop. So let's move on to US oil. US oil, we are looking for buy setup as well, guys, and we post this move on our, where's our trading view? Let's just go to anyone, and then one sec, I'll show you, or you can find in there some good trade setup. So US oil, it's trending up, and we are going with the trend. Okay, we've been buying every pullback, and this is great pullback, and if they come to a trend line, you buy more from there. Okay, you can start looking for buy right here, and once they come to this trend line, you can buy more. Only exit yours buy after breaking this bottom. Breaking this bottom, we are not interested in the buy anymore. However, if they manage to drop here, they still can come up, but only for pullback. That means we are going to the downside. It confirm for us. For now, we are sticking to the upside. There is no momentum for the downside, and nothing showing us we are going to go down. We're still within the trend to the upside. And this is my trading view page, and this where we post some good trade setup. So you maybe wanna go there. If you don't have account, open account, because this is good platform. That's where I'm now sharing my forecast as well. Okay, and you can start training there, find some chart from other people, you know, some interesting stuff. And of course, don't forget to follow us, and every time comment on our chart and give a like. This will help us and will show other people that our chart is working. Okay, this all the, for example, this is the oil. We're talking about the oil now, and see, we did put buy from the bottom, and watch it, they just came right to the bottom of my trend arrow, and now we are anticipating this up move to go to the upside. Target is big, to the 50. Okay, so let's continue. So this is our trade on the US oil. Natural gas, we can see a drop to the downside. We're not interested in the sale at this time. We want a better entry. Okay, what if they manage to come up and this all correction and come break this bottom, find any pullback, start buying. Okay, this top they can drop from here. If they manage to go break it again, find any pullback and start buying to the upside. The bigger target is to the upside. Why I'm saying this, let me quickly show you why. Where is here the natural gas? Let me just show you quickly how we did get this move from right the bottom, guys. Right the bottom, and we still going up with it. Just give me 1 sec and we will pull up. Where, guys? Somewhere here. Yeah, this is the natural gas, and see what I mean. We were right at the bottom and we said there is still more to the downside, you see, and we said buy from here. Watch how they just came here and turned to the upside, and they are now within our first box. If they drop from here, there is potential for them to drop all the way down to make bigger pullback and then go to the upside. Okay, the upper trend is not confirmed yet. You need to break this top. Breaking this top, any pullback, start buying, because you are going to the second target. Remember, guys, we will go to the chart and explain. Okay, that was just look for this breaking this top, find pullback and buy. That will confirm the up move. Keep crawling from here. Okay, trending with this. Anytime pullback to this trend line, keep selling, and make sure to use stop loss, because they can spike to the upside at any time. Okay, the bigger move is to the upside, not to the downside. So smaller trade to the downside, and the bigger reward is to the upside. So trade very small when you trade to the downside on the natural gas. We did go right at the bottom and you are going to the upside. And US dollar index, let's quickly go here and show you where we are and what we have and what we're expecting. This is the DXY, guys. Okay, we did anticipate this move from right the top. I'll show you now. And we said we are coming within this box and we will go to the upside. Max they can come is here to this one. Break this bottom slightly and go to the upside. And we still see this is existed, because there is more move on the EURUSD and the other pairs to the upside. Okay, guys, so we can see them coming down. We can make bigger correction here and then drop something similar to this. Okay, come here, make bigger correction and drop. However, we have bigger chance for them to turn from right this box. So I'm giving you a possibility. Our trade is only to the upside on the DXY. That's what I'm gonna tell you. So let's see something in here and move on. Watch this DXY, guys. Watch how we go this move to the downside. We put for you this box from here, and we said they will drop. Okay, from right this box. See this box here? That's where I done outlook and I said I just put this for the safety up there. That stop loss high. Anyway, watch how they come to our box. You see, that's what we're trying to say. So what's now? Find sell set up within this trend line, and we'll see from there what happens. We really do see bigger move here. Okay, possible come back here and go back up here, come back here, go back here, and then drop for the last move to the downside. There is bigger trend line coming from the bottom as well, so we'll respect this trend line. We will see what happens from there. Okay, there's I just showed you the biggest structure on this one. Let's move to S&P SPX, more to the upside. We did call this Y, guys. We did call the bottom, right? The bottom, right? The bottom, and we are right at the top now, and we're still seeing more to the upside on this pair. We will not forecast much on this pair because this video is only intended to be giving you sales good setup, and I don't see in there. I can see in the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, guys, we did just post video on our YouTube channel here. Just look for the Nasdaq crash, and please, if the Nasdaq crash from where we said, just go use the hashtag at the chart trader Nasdaq crash. So it will just help us in showing the world that we did call right at the top on the Nasdaq, whereas no one knows what to do now. Okay, so everyone's scared of this sharp move. So what do we see on the Nasdaq? Here what we see on the Nasdaq, so you can come and see our chart on this pair, so you know exactly where's the top. We've been calling that Nasdaq buy, guys, from long time. If you scroll down in my trading view page, you will notice that. Okay, so we said we are going up there. Look, we are in the middle of somewhere here now. Okay, we are going up there. Let me show you something else. This is our group, private group, Slack. This is where we gave the Nasdaq call, and we are right at the top of this arrow now. Okay, and we are giving a lot of trade here, guys. As you see, everything is the correct mark. That means we got that move. I just scroll down from here and show you what's going on. Internet shit. This three trade was today posted. I'm supposed not to show you guys, but it's okay. Okay, this all move happened. OS 200, it's the playing gold. This today, yeah. Now this already happened. We went up there and then dropped. Okay, and we are now back on the trend. So we did call even the trade before this one, guys. Okay, we were here, we went up there, and now we are back on the trend. So we got this trade as well on the gold. I show you the chart when we go there. Euro yen, we are dropping, we are falling as well. Euro New Zealand, we did got the trade. Everything has the correct mark, guys. We did get it. S&P, see, we did call the up move, and we said keep it because you're going to the upside. I told my member that I always put them the safe trade that I am very sure it will happen, you know. USD yen, we did call the crash. I show you when you go to the chart, and we are right at the bottom now. Okay, guys, this is the gold as well from before. Okay, we went right to this arrow, guys. We dropped and we are now playing here. Okay, we went right here. We did got this one as well. So this said gold was correct. Euro New Zealand as well. I show you when you go to the chart. Okay, pound USD, we did get this move and we went back up, and we said this trend line, exit on the trend line. See, as you see, guys. Anyway, let's continue with what we're doing, and let's see. So Nasdaq, we are expecting a crash to come from 12,895. Write this number down, guys, and if we get this crash on Nasdaq, you're gonna believe in my ability in trading. So you've been seeing as well the magic key. Anyway, let's continue. So on Nasdaq, we're expecting more to the upside, guys. Okay, this trend line, I don't think this trend line will be visited anymore. This is your trend line now, and keep going with this trend line. Okay, once we break this trend line, be cautious about the crash. It started. We can now start at any time. Okay, we are near the top. I can see spike to the upside and then fall, and I will show you after similar structure to this. Or we can just start falling, but I don't sell now. Okay, once we see them turning, we will be coming live to our YouTube. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn the notification bell on, because we will coming live here and we will trade this one with you. I will trade the crash. Guys, bear with me. Okay, we are back. I think we are back. So guys, if you missed what I said, subscribe to my YouTube channel to be updated when I go live and trade the Nasdaq crash live. I am calling the Nasdaq crash. We had the chart trader seeing a crash will happening on the Nasdaq. Big move to the downside. like never seen before. Okay, there is big move on the Nasdaq. Does the stock will fall with a very high possibility, so keep your eyes on this. We will come on another video on the stock when we see it ready. Let's move to OS 200, guys. OS 200, we are called this trade from right at the bottom. Let me show you again. I told you we'll come back to this. Oil, Nasdaq. This one, guys. This is the trade, and this is the magic. Okay, we are almost near the top now. Watch, and you are still going, and we're expecting more to come, guys. Okay, we're expecting this is going to go to the upside. Possible then. We will follow up with this, okay, or just focus on the upside, because this could be all the correction and we are just going. Okay, I can see this all the correction here, and this your first impulse, this your second impulse, and we're going sharp move to the upside, very sharp move. This pair need to make high, guys. You remember the Nasdaq? I told you I've been calling the Nasdaq from long time, guys. Let me go on weekly on this one and show you this is indices. All the indices make a new high. Only this pair didn't make it, okay? And I'm telling you, this is going to make the new high finally. And from there we will forecast. We will know exactly where's the top. We need to work on the chart, and we'll be coming live here as well and tell you where to expect is the drop will be turning from. Okay, if there is a drop or is only to the trend line. Okay, but for now focus on this up move. Is it will play more sideways before we go to the upside? Possible. That's why I'm coming now there, and I want to show you. Actually, this one, every time I forget. Okay, guys, let's go back to the 1 hour and tell you what's there is possible in there. We just clean everything in here, and this can go to the upside. Here, a drop, go one more, drop, and then go to the upside. Okay, put trend line and start trading with this trend line, guys. Start using this trend line and make some money. Anyway, let's continue. Pound USD more to the upside. Find buy setup. Okay, this is your trend line. Breaking the trend line, get out of the trend of the trade. Other than that, if you're in the buy, stay in the buy. You need to break this trend line, and we correct, and then we will change our mind. We still can see another up move to the upside on this pay. Okay, somewhere around here. EURUSD, we are bullish. I didn't show you already EURUSD. No, EURUSD. This is the trade for you now. Okay, we can see EURUSD going to the upside, guys, and this can be as well big move to the upside. So you need to get yourself in a buy on this pair as well. Put trend line and exit on the break of the trend line. Simple as that. We are still bullish on this pair, guys. If we see any change in this structure, we will be coming here on YouTube and updating this for you guys, so you be aware. If we change direction trending is to the upside on medium time frame. Okay, large time frame is to the downside, but we not yet where's the pullback is finished. We're still going to the upside. Let me show you how and why and what I'm anticipating. I want to explain for you this pair. Let's just make this wider. Let's just exit everything here, clean up, and let's go to daily. And I want to be clear with you on this one. So we did call this from right at the bottom, guys. We did call this move, and we said, wow, this can be going here, and you will be having this structure. One second, guys. You will be having this structure, okay, for a fall. The bigger direction to the downside, no endurance for this. But the question, will we fall from here? Okay, or from the top. So in this case, you see this correction followed by spike, this correction followed by spike. I can see this is correction running flat and we're going up. Okay, in any case we will reach this level. Okay, we will reach this level. You pull break even and we'll update this if we see changing direction, but for now this is going very impulsively to the upside. Why should I sell in it? Tell me. This is not a top if you're thinking you are selling at top or high or whatever. That's what you need to understand, guys. You need to understand where's the real top and bottom. Okay, when you see some trader there on YouTube claiming they know how to trade, sell, oh, sell high, buy low, sell high. I bet any one of them know, they understand where is the low and the high. I bet them. Okay, because if you see this is going, this is not low now, this is the middle of the move. Okay, you only can confirm this is if we see this coming to a downside like this, giving you pullback and going to a downside here where we start selling, you tell you we are changing the trend direction to downside. This is not changed now. This way then you start sell high. Okay, and once they come here, we, for example, buy low for another correction, sell high, buy low. That's how you do it. Okay, you go with the trend, not against the trend. The trend from now clearly is to the upside, daily is to the upside, weekly and monthly to the downside. So what if the trend will win the monthly or weekly or whatever, the bigger trend, it will come here and drop. Okay, that's most likely what's going to happen. So take screenshot of this box. Okay, and let's reach this box first and then we will see from there. At least we'll go up there, guys. We only changing our belief only if we see stronger move to the downside. That's nothing going to crash very hard. Even if they crash here, they will come back. Okay, guys, market move in waves, guys. See, they never go in one way. They will come back and then continue to downside. That's where we start telling you, start saying we are going to the downside. That's enough for this pair. Find by setup. Euro New Zealand. I want to show you the magic on this pair, and you're gonna believe or not, we've been carrying every move on Euro New Zealand, every move, every single move, and you will witness that right now. Okay, I'm not gonna talk, I will let the work talk about itself. Let's just find that. Look with me, Euro New Zealand. Okay, this is the pair. Let's just see if we have any comment or something. Okay, guys, right the top, see my arrow, right the top. How did we anticipate the move? And not only anticipate the move, guys, how does the chart now, you will see that when we play, okay, when we click display, how the chart is moving exactly how we put our structure. That's where you understand what you're doing. Okay, this is the real price now. Okay, they come right with this structure right here. You see, even play in the same correction, drop here, right here, okay, and they go back up right to this top. You can see, okay, you can see why. Come to the chart and you see, okay, you see it. See, this is where's the things came here and we're dropping, we're expecting another pullback to the upside and continuing to the downside. Okay, guys, that's where we are on Euro New Zealand. So as you saw now, we are getting every move, every piece on this pair. What's now on this pair? We anticipate, let me tell you what's now. So next week, I remind you, going up and then continue to the downside. Get benefit of this trend, guys. Okay, that market is trending down. Okay, put trend line, go on high time frame, put trend line, start trading with that trend. Okay, put it from here. This is your trend line now. Why I put it from here? There is reason for this. If you join my course or my group, you will understand what we do, why we use this trend line, and why this trend line is the one that correct 100%. Put it and see if we will break it until I say the move to the downside is finished. Okay, forget this. This is not a trend line. And wait, let me explain something before we move forward. I'm not putting this trend line and because I'm not anticipating. This is a part of the move, guys. This is a part of this. Did you see I did anticipate right the top there and turning from there, because this is part of the move, but not because of this. Okay, because what I'm seeing here, let me just give you quickly. I'm seeing this, and this is just always correction, and we are going down, okay, with this. But I can see this still going here, playing here, and then drop from there. Sorry, this is wrong, last one. Drop like this to your downside, because this is a trend line for the correction. If you understand this, you understand. If not, it's up to you. You need to work on yourself more, okay? You can even call this a channel if you wish. Okay, just put a channel there and try to use the channel technique, okay? We know what will happen before it happens, guys. We know the channel, it will form before it forms. And as you saw, I just showed you the move, okay? We don't really care about channeling or whatever. We know what we're looking for, and then the thing can be created after we say it. See how they're moving in channel? It will move like this to the downside. We are right here now. Again, let's play. We are right there, and we are going down. Let's move on this pair because you're already over, okay? We are dropping. High possibility for pullback like this, and continue to the downside. Continue the fall. Let's now get back to the work and go to the Euro Yen, and let's end this movie here. See guys, we decall the top, and only in this pair we say it's not going to go to the upside, okay? They still can go to the upside, but I'm not anticipating this. I can see this is coming now here. Any pullback start selling, we are coming down, okay? This is the top, guys. Don't sell right now. They are on trend line. You don't want to be dragged in this. Let me come to 1 hour and show you what I mean, okay? Because when I'm forecasting now, if you want trade setup, be careful of this. This can just pull back here and then drop. You don't want to be dragged in this and lose money in this, and this is big trade anyway. I'm giving you just the bigger direction. The bigger direction is downside. You need to understand how to trade, how to enter, and you need to have a strategy to allow you to enter and exit and understand what's happening. Okay guys, so, and Euro Yen, we are looking for a downside, and I think this is everything for today. I hope you guys has enjoyed this outlook, and if you're happy with what we're doing, if you're enjoying, just go to our website www.theshartrader.com/course. Go to the course, just.com, and go to the course page, click here and see what you will be getting if you join our course, okay? Just this is very important for you. And anyway, by the way, now we have discount. Usually this price is 7,000. I never put it down, but we just put it for this time because at the end of the year we will start fresh year with some new trader to make them successful and professional as well, okay? We will add them to our team. You are getting there to be in our group, in our community. As you see, we always post trade setup, everything, oil, natural gas, anything you dream of, all trade is there, okay? Updated, everything, weekly outlook, daily outlook, whatever. So by paying this, you are investing in yourself, okay? And that's my own plan. Just invest in yourself before investing in the market. We will help you become successful and find all these top and bottoms, okay guys? So I hope you enjoyed that. Up to you, it's enough for me. I need to go, okay? I have meeting now, right after 10 minutes. So I need to go prepare myself and go for it. And good luck with that trade. Please rewatch this video and use it wisely and take the trade I just showed you. Use stop loss for all of them. Trade small, trade with risk management, guys. I want to trade small for your account, okay? Something you be comfortable with taking a loss with. I'm not saying you're gonna lose. You will win what I just gave you. That trade I gave you today, all will be winner. Because if you watch my previous outlook here on YouTube, you will see all of them, most of them is correct, okay guys? And you need to learn, guys. Nothing is impossible. You need to learn, practice. You need to learn, practice, spend time, make experience. You can catch everything. So enjoy the day. Please give comment for this video, give a like, and thank you, and share as well. Bye. Let's end it.